So this is the 14 MS. Again, this is another new one. Normal price, $36. On sale, $27,999. This is a true definition of a tiny travel trailer. Okay? So you got your nice, I'm going to call it a U-shaped kitchen, but it's more like a J. And there's my shoelace again. I just tied this like a half an hour ago. This one, it just will not stay tied. So let's call it a J, because it starts here and can go all the way around. Now, obviously, this is meant to be your dinette. Okay? You've got 3 stools here, which fold down. All right? But you can use it as an extension of the kitchen. You have a 2-burner stove, right? The microwave's beneath it, which looks like it is convection. You've got some pull-out drawers here, which are nice. Love those. Okay? Some cabinetry up above. That is pretty big. Some here in the front as well. And those are on, not pistons, but the hinges hold it up. And then another one over here. And then you got a nice cubby here. Okay? In the front. Let's not forget these down here in the bottom. Okay? So lots of storage in here, y'all.
There really is a lot of storage.
That is a lot of storage for a tiny travel trailer kitchen.
And a lot of countertop space, too.
Well, it's because of the... Well, yeah, absolutely. Yeah. And I sort of glazed over it, but it's got a Norcold refrigerator. And it's on.
Ooh.
Lisa, you're trying to light the stove. Didn't hear the clicking?
No, I didn't.
So this is 12 volt. I'm like, yeah, stop trying to blow us up. All right, so this folds down to be a bed. Right, this is the Murphy bed situation like the other one. Okay, so this chair just rolls over, and this just comes right down, and you have a queen size bed.
Very nice.
Which is great.
Yeah.
And then your bathroom is in the back. So let's sit on that toilet. Okay. First of all, it's plastic foot flush, not porcelain. Second, it ain't working for me. Just, I mean, you see where my toe is. And here, we'll give you the full visual. All right. Now, could I pull it back? Yes. Do I want to be like this as full timing? No. But if this is just a weekend thing, dude, I'm just going to do this. It's okay. Or just go out in the woods like the bears, right? So it's all about perspective, right? Are you buying this just for the weekends, right? A couple weekends, a couple times a year? We're going to full time. And I'm full timing. I don't want to be like this, right? I want to be comfortable. It's where we are all the time. But for the weekends out here, there, or whatever, dude, not a problem. In fact, most places we go, there's actually like a shower house in there. I could just go in there. Anyway, tiny but tall. So you could actually put some tall bottles in there.
Oh, yeah.
Right? Same with this down here. Okay? Nice. Got a little towel bar here. Nice big countertop, so you can put lots of lotions and potions. Nice deep medicine cabinet on one side. So I'd use this for medicine. I'd use that for towels.
Oh, true. Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah, I'm not sure the camera picked that up. You want to open that up again? This one is very deep. That one is
This one is more medicine cabinet.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay?
There we
All
go.
right. So, shower. Now, look, the shower is going to be a little challenging to get in. Right? The toilet's right there.
Yeah, there
right?
is very little space there, to be honest.
Right?
That
It's not horrible, but, you know,
And it's a step
I
up.
used this to hold on to climb in, and I'm going to do the same thing to get out. From a height standpoint, it's pretty good. I've got about 4 inches above my head, 3.5 inches above my head or so. It is tiny.
It is.
Right? It's tinier than normal. So I'm going to have to augment in here.
I'm going to go with, like,
Right?
what, 28 by
It's not even 28. Yeah.
by 30.
I don't know.
Yeah,
It's tiny.
small.
But again, perspective.
Yes.
You're going to full time, or you're going to just do it every once in a while. And again, I'm a big guy. Lisa's going to be pretty comfortable in here at her height at 5'7". Okay? So it's just all about, again, back up so they can watch me get out.
And it's got your shower door.
Yeah, and it's got my favorite shower door. But you got to be careful, right? Getting out, because you're going to be all wet, right? Coming out of the shower. So the only thing that I don't see in here at all, other than this cabinet right here, and this is it. That's your only hanging stuff for clothes. Okay? So
Okay.
it's just augmented lifestyle, guys. You know, if you're looking to unplug and minimalize your life, this is a really great floor plan. Really, it's got everything in it. Sofa right across from the TV. Residential queen size bed. Place to sit and eat. Huge kitchen. Lots of storage for stuff. Yes, you may not have a ton of space for clothing to hang up, but you could fold clothes down there.
Yep.
Right?
Nice little cubbies there.
The bathroom is adequate, right? Again, A little tight for someone my size, but pretty good. I don't know. Let's move on.